Lecture 3. How to import a simple dataset. Today's focus is simple but essential. How to bring a dataset in Qlik so you can begin analyzing it. Without data, even the best designed dashboard is just an empty canvas. So this step, importing your dataset, is a starting point for everything you will create in Qlik. We'll go over how to upload a basic file, understand how Qlik reads that data, and make sure it's ready for visualization. The goal is not just to click buttons, but to understand what's happening at each step, so you're confident when working with different datasets. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to locate and access the data import feature in Qlik Sense, upload a basic dataset like a CSV or Excel file into your app, understand how Qlik organizes your data into fields and tables, identify and fix common issues like missing values or column mismatches, choosing the right dataset. Let's start with choosing a dataset. For now, keep it simple. Use something with clear columns and rows, like a list of students and their test scores, or a product sales report. Make sure your file is saved in a readable format, either CSV, XLSX, or TXT. If you are unsure what to use, try a CSV file. It's the most universally supported and often the easiest to import. Step by step, how to import data. Let's walk through the process of importing your first dataset into Qlik Sense. Open your Qlik app. Start by opening the app you created earlier. Maybe it's still named as Sales Record. You can just click on that and click on Open. Go to the Data Manager. From the app overview, you can just click in here, drop down menu, and you can just click in here as Data Manager. Click in here. This is where you will upload and preview your data. Click Add Data. In the Data Manager, click the Add Data button here. You can just click on that. Qlik will give you options like uploading from your computer or connecting to an online source. Select your file. Find your file that where you have saved. For example, you have saved in D. Scroll down, Sales Record, and here. Click it to open. Qlik will read the file and show you a preview. So here you can see understanding the data preview. Once your data loads, you will see a preview screen. This part is important. You are not just uploading blindly. You are reviewing what Qlik sees. Look at field names. Are the column headers correct? Values. Do the numbers and text match your expectations? Data types. Are dates recognized as dates? Are numbers shown as numbers? If anything looks off, like a column full of question marks or zeros, it's a sign something might be wrong with your original file. Qlik may also suggest some automatic field types, like turning incorrect format into a proper date format. You can accept those suggestions or tweak them later. Finalizing the import. When everything looks good, click on Next. Here you can just click in here, and you can see all of these again, and click on Save. Now you will just double click on this sheet 1, and here you can see you have order date and the value range as well. For region you have this bar, for names you have this data, and for items you have this one. For units you can have an overview of this one, and unit cost as well, and total as well. So here you can just overview all your values that you have entered, and you can just click in here as load data. You will see your dataset listed there as a table with each column treated as a field. Qlik will also attempt to create relationships between different tables if you have more than one, though for now we'll focus on just one dataset. Best practices for clean imports. Here are a few tips to keep your imports smooth. Clean your file first. Remove blank rows, strange formatting, or merge cell in Excel. Keep headers clear. Use short, clear names like name, score, or date. Avoid spacing and special characters. Avoid excessive formatting. Qlik doesn't care about bold fonts or colors. It just needs the raw data. What comes next? Now that your data is in, you are ready to start building visuals from it. In the next lecture, we will look at how Qlik organizes this information and how you can explore it using fields and tables. But before we get there, I want you to try uploading a dataset yourself. Once you do it once or twice, it becomes second nature.